Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Prince Reviews. This is a brand new channel and I hope you will support me by subscribing my YouTube channel. The video will be timestamps so you can move on to your favorite part. Timestamps are in the description. So let's move on to our video. So today I am going to unbox and review the latest Muse Hi-Fi M3 second generation. It is a DAC and a mini amplifier. And first of all, you can see the packaging of this parcel. This is much more protective packaging than others. I really like it. This packing method will never damage your item ever, not even 0.1%. And this is all done by Angel Tech Audio Store on AliExpress. Credit goes to them 100%. And basically everyone's packing style is different, but I really prefer this style of packing because it makes the products much safer than others. So if you also want similar packaging, then you have to order these products from Angel Tech Audio Store on AliExpress. Links are in the description. So you will get two items when you unbox your parcel. One is your DAC amplifier and the other is a gift from Angel Tech Audio Store to the first 100 orders. And this is our main product, the Muse Hi-Fi M3 second generation, and the first look of this product is amazing. We will check it later. So let's unbox our gift, and I don't know what it is. This is the first time I am seeing it. So this is our gift and we will also check it later. And these are three paperwork for your information. You can pause the video to see it. And now I will unbox our main product. I will cut it here. And now I will get rid of this wrap. And it looks so beautiful. This box is absolutely magnificent. It is great looking. You can see the glow. So now let's see what we get in the box. The unboxing was smooth. First we get this card and then the amplifier itself. It looks premium and little bit heavy. It looks very premium. And then we'll see what's inside more show. There's another paperwork. You can pause the video to see it. And then type C to lightning cable. The cables are also premium. Then there is type C to type C cable, and then there is type A to type C adapter, which you can use on your laptop and PCs, etc. And apart from these, we don't get anything more from the box, and I will get back soon with a review video, so stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome to the short review section, and now we will start our review. I have been using this amplifier for a week now, and I will share my honest opinion with you guys. It will not be a technical review. And first of all, I want to talk about this box, because when you invest more, then you have to look at everything. And I really like this box because it gave me the smoothest unboxing experience ever, and I can play with this box as well. Alright, this box is very premium. And now we will talk about this gift. It is also very beautiful. It can be used as a decoration piece as well, and there is so much branding on it, and it deattaches as well. It is detachable, and you can see how beautiful it is, and there is so much branding on it, and you can see the angel deck as well. So it's a pretty good thing. And lastly, you'll see that it also attaches magnetically. And if we talk about the amplifier itself, it is beautiful, absolutely beautiful, all made up of metal, and it really feels premium. And the cables are also very strong and premium. It is heavy, not too much, but it feels heavy, and the touch is very premium. It is absolutely amazing looking DAC amplifier. And you can see the 3.5 and 4.4 output as well, and there are lower and upper volume button, and there is Muse Hi-Fi branding on it, and it looks very beautiful. And there are two modes in this amplifier. One is normal mode and the other one is high gain mode. You have to press the lower volume button for 2 seconds and it will enable high gain mode, and the light will turn red. And I have used this with several IEMs I have, and the result is very satisfying. It makes the sound more pure and transparent, and you can clearly see the difference in it. And I also have compared it with my other dongles, but this one is the most powerful yet. I could have made this review even longer, but there is no need. It is the best in the business, the best ever. I 100% recommend it, and you will not regret buying it. Its retail price is 179 US dollar, but with this gift it also becomes a good package. And that's it for the video. I hope you liked my video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel because this will mean a lot to me. Thank you so much.